and its surrounding islands and beaches are absolutely breathtaking. In the previous video, we set out on a tour of the 4 islands from Krabi. On this tour, we visited 4 beautiful locations. The top island, where 2 islands get connected through a sandbar beach which remains visible only during low tides. The Chicken Island, which got its name due to the typical rock formation which looks like a chicken head. Our boat halted for some time for snorkeling and swimming. Our next stop was Phra Island, which is an island with huge beach and a large number of trees. We have made a separate video in detail about our tour of the 4 islands, where we have covered all the 3 islands. In this video, we will take you on a tour of the Phranang caves and beach, which is not only a gorgeous location but also has some legend and beliefs associated with it. Phranang cave and beach was the 4th and final stopover of our 4 island tour.
Phranang beach is there 5 minutes.
Phranang Cave Beach is part of a small peninsula located between Aonang and Krabi town, but is accessible only by boat due to high rock formations. Riley Beach, another beautiful secluded beach, is located on the other side of the Phranang beach. We have made a separate video of our tour of Riley Beach. There is a long path which leads to the hidden beach. As we walked on the path, we found a number of limestone caves lined along the path. I could also see that some of the caves had a long dark passage, not sure where it was leading to. There are a number of folk tales surrounding the Phranang caves. According to one legend, Phranang was an Indian princess who was killed in a shipwreck, and her spirit found its way to the cave. In another tale, Phranang was the wife of a local fisherman who was lost at sea. The bereaved wife lived out the rest of her days in the cave, waiting for her husband's return. Whatever may be the ancient fable, this place has for centuries been a shrine where the local fishermen and boatmen leave offerings to ensure a plentiful catch and protect them from the dangers of the sea. Phranang caves are famous for their wonderful natural hanging stalactites and stalagmites. Since ancient times, the Princess Cave in Phranang Beach had been the place where fishermen, before going out to the sea, made offerings to the symbolic Shiva Leong or Shiva Lingam to keep them away from the dangers of the sea. The fishermen, who say the cave is the home of a mythical sea princess, believe their offerings will bring them success in their fishing and protect them from danger. With its backdrop of stalactites and stalagmites, the Princess Cave is a perfect natural canvas to showcase the mixture of faiths and beliefs that can be found throughout the kingdom. But it is worth noting that visitors should never forget its importance as a religious place of worship for the local people. A 10 minutes of walk alongside the limestone caves took us to the little secluded beach. The beach was gorgeous, with huge limestone cliffs surrounding it on all 3 sides, and the beach opening into the sea where the water was clear and emerald green in color. Really breathtaking. This place also has arrangements for rock climbing, and anyone interested can go for it. We spent some wonderful moments at this gorgeous place, clicking pictures and soaking ourselves into this pure atmosphere. In the evening, we returned to our hotel at Phranang, Krabi and relaxed for some time on the terrace. It was our last evening at Krabi, and the next day we will be boarding our flight for Bangkok. The streets of Phranang, Krabi are always buzzing with activities. We strolled along the streets in the evening for some time before retiring for the night. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel to watch more of our travel videos.